Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel, Q Hunter going crazy. Today I'm going to be talking about the DreamCart, which I know I've already mentioned I'm in love with, but I wanted to talk about it because I feel like I was so hard on the Dreambox because of the price that the DreamCart is my favorite thing, and I want to make sure that I highlight it because it's really cool. So I've been using the DreamCart. My office is a disaster right now. We are literally packaging bling like crazy. So I've been using the DreamCart as my sewing station slash pop-up extra table when I need it. And I'm in love with it. It was very messy, but I did clean it up. So I'm gonna show you guys how I organized it, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's closed up and how easy it is to store and put away. If you're watching this before 4th of July, they are having a sale, and there is a link in the description with a $100 off coupon code. But if you're watching it later, check out if I have any new videos, because I will be also promoting any sales that they have. Because if you guys do want any of the stuff from Create Room, we want coupons. So I'm pretty sure they let me know that all influencer coupons are like the best deal. So make sure to use the coupons that I have that are current. But let's go into how I organize this again. So this is basically my sewing area and bling. So I added a spot for bling, sewing, and the Mickey Ear Factory all in one. So I'm gonna show you guys, and then I'll show you how it pops up and how cute it is. And let's do this. Okay, so the cart itself is very mobile, which I love. I'm obsessed with that part because there's times when I need to use my craft room for filming. There's times when I need to use it for packaging products. I don't want all my tables like out in the way. So this has been such a game changer because it's a table, but then it's very easy to just roll and store away. So when it is folded up, it is pretty thin. It's that thin. 1/3 of my arm. I'll show you when I put it up against the wall. Right now I have the chair over there, but that's where I normally will keep this. But it also like configures into the Dreambox and fits really well with the Dreambox. So if you need like a larger table space, you can add this on to the table space that the Dreambox already has. So tons of table space with this, and obsessed with it. Okay, you guys know that I'm 100% honest because I was honest in the first review with the Dreambox. I asked them, I said, can you send me the DreamCart because I think I'm gonna dig that thing, and I do. So on this side, it comes with the plastic bins, and you can use the double bins like this, or you can use the scrapbooking size bins. I love that I have all my bling in one tray, and that's where if we're blinging, you just can pull this tray out and you can bling. I have fabric scraps right here. So again, I tried to put everything that I use to sew here because my sewing machine sits on top of this at all times, which is easily removable if I need to. And then I have my cutting mat. So anything that has to do with sewing, I put on the DreamCart. And more. So you guys are gonna see that. So then I have my thread, and then I have some Mickey ears that are like half done, and I've got my like sewing doodads, which is like Velcro and buttons and all those things, needles. And then I have another little tray for bling, because bling is taking over my life. Now, instead of taking you guys around, I'm just gonna turn this around to show you. It's my favorite part about it is that it's on wheels. So on this side, I have the Mickey Ear Factory, and I love this because I've kind of always wanted one spot for like everything I need to just whip up a pair of Mickey ears, and I'm obsessed with this. So I've got headbands, plain colored fabric, because if you guys don't know, I launched the Mickey Ear Factory, which is basically a way to make every character of Mickey ears with just solid color fabrics, and then you use HTV and doodads basically to spruce them up to turn them into characters. All those SVGs available for my members. So check that out if you're interested in being a Mickey ear maker master. I have all the felt. We use felt for not only Mickey ears, but I also use them for koozies. So I have a ton of felt, and then I can just visually see if I'm running out of felt, and I can see what colors I need, what colors I already have. I do like that about the clear boxes. I love that when I store this away, you can't really tell like what's in there, and I can just slide papers in if I don't want to see like what's actually in the bins. But I love that the clear bins make it really easy for me to see what is in the bins. And then I have all my fabrics, my solid fabrics that I use for Mickey ears, and I can easily see what colors I'm low on, what colors I have a ton of. So in case I want to make a specific ear, I can just whip up a few of those, give them away. Foam, which we use to put in the inside of the ear, and then my fluff. So this is the Mickey Ear Factory side, which I'm obsessed with. Okay, so let's go into the coolest part, obviously. So obviously this comes up like this. Can you guys see Hunter? Are you in the video? And the leg comes down. Now these legs are similar. I've just gotten used to don't pull the legs, just push up these because the legs are similar to the ones on the Dreambox, so if you pull them, they could come out. The thing I like about it is it does only have one leg, so you can put like a chair very easily under this, and you're not, like you can sit on this side or you can sit on this side because there is only one leg, and you can also sit on the back side. So like if I wanted to sit right here, I can sit right here. And this leg is in enough that I can sit here. But it's also in enough on this side, let me show you, that I can sit right here. Sorry, but I'm like all up in your space now. So I'm gonna pull this over like so. You guys can see it goes all the way to here. Hunter, are you helping? Are you my Vanna White? No, you just get in my way. Now, when they come out with a standing one, you know I'm gonna be all over that too. So, okay, so now we have this table, which is now that long, so long. So this is really cool. And look how easily I can move it. You can lock the wheels so it won't move around. I love that. I'm going to lock those just so I don't move it. So now I can turn my sewing machine and I can put it over here if I want to. I have all this space. I have a table, like a table in my craft room at all times. I kind of want to get like 6 of these. And I could literally have tables everywhere if I need to, and then you fold them up and put them away. This is so good if you work from home and you do workshops, or you have kids come over that you need to teach, or you have anybody coming over that you need to teach, or you entertain a lot and you need a lot of crafting space, but you don't have the space to keep that out all the time. What do I have going on here? So, can you guys tell why I love it? It's pretty obvious, like why I love it. Let's roll it up, and I'm gonna go put it over there. I like to put my hand in the cart, like through here, and push down so that I don't pull any of the screws out. Sorry, bud. Am I bugging you? And she goes right there, and she's not in the way of anything, and she doesn't take up very much space. All right, guys, so now I'm over in the Dreambox, and I wanted to show you guys how this thing, now the opportunities are kind of endless on how you do this, but the table has to be extended to the seated size, because I realized I did not mention this very well, that the table on the Dreambox actually can go up to a standing desk. You just have to extend the leg. So that's really cool. And it doesn't have a matching DreamCart at that height. Hint, hint, one day that would be really awesome. But when you extend it fully down to the seated level, then it matches up with this perfectly. So you can just keep it folded up, and you can just keep it at the end. If you want, just to make it a little longer, you could extend one leg, one of the tables, and have a very long table. You can move it to the side. Now my Dreambox isn't able to be, well, this side can open. I wanted to keep the light coming through a little bit. So right now I have it in a corner, which is kind of really cool because if you don't have a full wall, it actually can be opened so that it opens in an L. So that's really cool. So right now I actually have it in a corner, but it is large enough to open like this, like it's giving you a big hug, and then this side can open, but the wall hits it on this side. So I was just trying it out and seeing if I like it over here. And I do. The light obviously doesn't come in this side on my studio, so it's kind of hard for filming, which is kind of like the one thing I really love it for, but it works better in this space. So for now, I like it like this for now. Just pop this here and have a, you know, larger space like this. I can also open this up and have a long table this way. I can open it all the way up and make it like an L, or I can put it this way. So I really, really love the versatility of it while still being so practical and not super expensive. All right, guys, so again, it is on sale at the moment if you're watching this in real time. If you're not, there's probably another sale going on, so I would check back on new videos that I may have put out. But I love this thing, and I've been using it for about 2 months now because I really love to make sure a product is like exactly what it is before I promote it on my channel, because I'm just about that life, and you guys know that if you've been here for a while. If you haven't, you should click the subscribe button, because that is my life and that is what I'm all about. So many new things coming, so many fun things that I have for announcements soon that I can't really talk about, but I'm really, really excited for the DreamCart. So, yeah, if you guys want to see me do anything else with it or see what else it can do or other things, I don't know, or give you ideas of like what else, I don't know, but if you want more, let me know in the comments, okay? I love you guys. I will see you in the next video.